Hello, everybody. Welcome to Crazy Engine Treasures. I am your host, Trish, and I have some really fun, exciting news to share with you. We made it. My channel's grown to 200. Yay! I am now at this. Where's my phone? Let me just verify what we're sitting at. It was 202 subscribers. So I want to thank everybody for subscribing. Thank you so much. Um, it's because of you, really, literally, that I'm here. So thank you so much. And to say thank you, I have a giveaway. I have been waiting to do this giveaway for so long. I'm so excited. So what are you getting? Two skeins of yarn. Both are the same. Red Heart Hello Gorgeous. It's 5 ounces. And 252 yards. Yeah, 5 ounces, 252 yards. The colorway is called Sedona. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness, it is just an absolute gorgeous ball of yarn. I just love the colors. So you get two of these. I'm putting it back in the bag. And you're getting pack of bamboo crochet hooks. There are, I didn't count how many are in here, but they go from size 3.0 to size 10 millimeter. So there's 3.0 millimeter to 10 millimeter in here. So you get those. So yay! Now, YouTube is not affiliated with this in any way, shape, or form. I bought all of this with my own little bit of money. I did. I was a big girl. I went to the store and I did it. Okay, I didn't go to a store. Who am I kidding? I like online ordering, don't you? Excuse me. Uh, so YouTube's not affiliated with this. Um, it's open to anybody worldwide as long as you're a subscriber. You can be entered to win. All you have to do to be a subscriber is hit that subscribe button down below. It is absolutely free. And leave a comment, because that is how we're going to do this. If you want to be in this giveaway, leave a comment below this video. This is the official giveaway video. So leave a comment below this video. I'll be using the random comment picker to pick a winner. And I'm going to do that. Let me see the date. It's the 22nd. I'm going to do it on the 26th. 4 days. So in 4 days' time, I will pick a winner. Ooh, how exciting. The 26th. I better mark that down so I know. The 26th. Let's hope I remember. Okay, so I'm going to put a mark in my calendar. So what do you have to do? You have to be a subscriber. Hit the subscribe key. Hit the subscribe key below if you would like to subscribe. Thank you to all of my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I love each and every one of you so much. I love this family we have. I love this community we've got. And yeah. Let me see. I'm trying to remember if I said everything. YouTube not affiliated. I will pay shipping. You get the balls of yarn and the crochet hooks. Open worldwide. You just have to be a subscriber, and I have to know that you're a subscriber because I'll be checking. So make sure that I can see that if you're a subscriber or not. And how you do that is just don't have your subscriber list private. Um, and I lost my track again. Subscriber list. And yeah, so this is the official video. I'll be using the the random comment picker to pick a pick a comment. Thank you, brain, for kicking in there. I'll be using the random comment picker to pick a comment on the 26th, which is 4 days from now. 6 o'clock p.m. CST. Sometime after that, I will do it after 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, Regina or Saskatchewan, because we don't change time. And good luck to everybody. And I hope I haven't missed anything. I really hope I haven't. I'll be watching this through just to make sure I didn't miss anything. So good luck to everybody. Remember, you need to be a subscriber to enter. But good luck to everybody. And thank you again. Thank you again, because I wouldn't be having this giveaway if it wasn't for all of you. So thank you very much. Bye.